Another condo tour here at Shore 3 Residences. Come with me. Hello guys! We are back again here at Tower 4 at Shore 3 Residences. So finally, this unit is my cousin's unit. So bumili sila sa akin way back, I think this year, February 2026. And now na tapos na yung unit nila, we're gonna do a quick condo tour. So here, as you can see, they have this welcome home note. So they have the shoebox here, and actually this is a 26 square meters, 1 bedroom with balcony. This is family suite D with balcony. So here, this is our kitchen. We have the cooktop, the range, the cabinet. So everything here is complete. Yan, kompleto siya lahat. Pwede kang magluto. And what I like about this unit is my complimentary pa si owner. So we have here coffee. Yan, so talagang mahilig tayo mag-coffee. Yan, we have water also. So pag once na nag-check-in ka na, pag nauhaw ka, kuha ka lang ng tubig. And here, this is our toilet and bath. So actually, kompleto talaga sila. Meron silang shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So hindi ka na mamroblema. Ikaw na lang talaga at damit ang dadalhin mo dito sa unit. And here, this is our washing machine. So pwede din tayo mag-washing dito, pero bawal lang magsampay sa balcony. And we have here our microwave and fridge. Ayan. So, wait, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung ayan, kitchenwares natin. So, pwede tayong magluto, and meron din nakalagay dito si owner, mga ketchup, muscovado, may pansit canton din siya. So, I think this is also for free. So, sa mga guests dyan, pwede nating lutuin yung pansit canton. And here, this is the bedroom. So, may pa-free guest kits pa sila. So, may toothbrush, toothpaste na. And then, they also provide towels. So, kompleto talaga. So, wala ka nang iisipin. Ayan. So, pwede ka na mag-staycation dito if you have trainings or meetings, convention near Mall of Asia, or lakad papuntang airport. And here, this is our vanity area. So, may mirror, outfit check. Ayan. So, maganda talaga siya dahil very cozy ang ambience. And here also, hindi ka mapo-board kasi pwede kang maglaro. Yeah, so may mga pa-board games din si unit owner. And here, this is our dining area. So, very cute lang siya kasi hindi naman talaga to for long-term stay. This is intended for short-term stay. In here, this is the sofa bed. So, actually, what I like about this sofa bed is pwede talaga siya ma-extend, and the two people can really sleep on this sofa bed. So, very comfy siya. And ate bought this at the IKEA. So, the client bought this. And here, this is also the TV. So, may Netflix din siya. And here, this is our balcony. So, guys, yan. So, parang kang naka-bakasyon. Parang kang nasa resort. But right now, the amenities is not yet turned over. So, hindi pa siya operational here at Tower 3 and 4. Maybe within this year, operational na siya. But above all, this is ready for Airbnb na. So, if you want to book this unit, we're gonna put the description down below the Airbnb link. So, thank you so much guys for watching.